Hey friends, I just wanted to show you a really quick video showing how to install these FCS2 fins. Now, these fins are really great. They've actually eliminated the need for screws. So traditionally, you've needed these little fin box screws that look like this and the fin key. Obviously, you can see these fin boxers were actually drilled for a couple of screws so that they can be used. But this specific system is actually designed to be able to slide in and out without the need of securing it down with screws. And it actually just adds a little bit extra, both ease of use to take these in and out, as well as if you're in a situation where the fins get bumped or hit and break off, it doesn't rip out your fin box. Now, this is a Softtech board. You can see it's the Eric Geiselman 5.0, and it comes with these flexible, soft, medium FCS2 fins. Again, they're actually nice and pliable. You can see they move around quite a bit. This is a great river surfing board, which is why we're setting it up. And basically, this is how it works. You can see you just slide it into that front. There's a little notch that catches that little bar. And then you push down this back, and as you can see, there's a little orange tab that's in there. That's gonna click in on this back part. We're just gonna punch down, and as you can see, that's now locked in. Again, if you want these out, basically you just have to apply a little bit of pressure, and they pop right out just like that. So again, easy in out, especially for transportation. This obviously pairs really well with a board bag because you can take the fins off very easily to slip into your board bag. So we're going to be pairing this board with this USeater Optimum surfboard bag. It's a 5.0 just like the board, and it's going to work great for a single surfboard. Even with the fins on, it should fit nice and snug and offer just an extra layer of protection. So you can see how that slides in nice and easy. Again, there's some extra room up here where you can store wax, extra fins, other things you might need in that nice big pocket. And now we have the surfboard completely inside the bag. You can see it fits it great, even with the fins currently installed. If the fins are not installed, then this can actually collapse down with these Velcro pieces and close shut just to offer a little bit more of a slimmer profile. And as you can see, you can even do that a little bit with the fins on. So we found with our board, because it does have a ton of volume, large rails, that it is a little snug on the sides right here, but again, it does fit just fine. So great little surfboard bag, definitely a thumbs up from us.